All right, this is the north hayfield. Looking this way, to the right, left, we're headed pretty much due north. You can see hay to the left. You'll see turkeys. There's turkeys right there. But this is a hay field. We mowed it to get rid of Johnson grass. You come here, you'll see the shooting hut. There's an animal still in front of us there. Now it's moving. They're turkeys, more or less. Yep, there they are, a mama and two babies right there. I'm gonna slow down. Okay. So this is August 20th. And this is the north hayfield. It's 278 yards from here to the hay that you see, the farthest bale on the left. I know that because that was the longest shot I've ever taken. We're going to be clearing all this out again. That'll be in another video. I was using a Zeiss scope from right there, which you can't see. It was to the immediate left. This is a heavy rock. That's iron. Okay, gonna head up the road here. All right, this is the west field. It's been mowed. Again, this one I think has been 3 times this year to get rid of the Johnson grass. The other one was just 2. It's August 20th. So my guess is we won't have to do this field again. Not certain about spring, but sorry. Missed some of this field. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do half of this field again. I plan on getting an excavator and working that way. This is to the south. All right. Let's come up and see my babies. Maybe they're Mike's babies, I don't know. Actually, I do, they're mine, but whatever Mike wants to do with them. He's been raising them and taking care of them. He has the rear end of the cow, I have the front end, which you gotta feed. Hey, mama cow. There's Cool Cow. Okay. Let me stop and turn this off. There we go. All right. All right, I'm gonna film this. Okay. All right, camera, video. How we doing? Hey, Cool Cow, how are you, girl? Hold on. Excuse me. How are you doing, Cool Cow? You feeling good today? Yeah. I don't think you guys want any sweet feed, so you'll get none today. Maybe you'll get some tomorrow. What do you think? Well, what do you think, Cow? Got them all around. This place is where they tend to stay in the summer, where you can see them eating in the shade. I bush hogged that, gosh, was it 3 weeks ago? Over there, 3 weeks ago. Okay, Cool Cow. Yeah, you're my favorite. You're just too cool. Now I just want this one here right in front of us to start talking. Yeah, come on, girl. You gonna say something? You want some sweet feed? See if I can get her to talk this way. I mean, the cows are training me. Cool cow. Yeah. I'm gonna pull forward a little. All right. Well, you're not gonna yell at me, cow. Okay. All right. But that one right there is the one who has a very loud sound. And right there are 1, 2, 3 little males, and there's another one somewhere. He could be the one looking at us. Oh, it's probably that one right there. The 4 little males are right there together. So yeah, you guys are gonna have a... Oh, there she goes. Hold on, hold on. Come on, what do you have to say, cow? Oh, that's the one. Oh, there you go. I'm sorry, sweetheart. Yeah, when do you want some no, do you want sweet feed tomorrow morning? Huh? Do you want sweet feed in the morning? Okay. Well, this is the one that we were having the discussion. We have an on and off relationship. All right. I'm going to feed you guys in the morning, okay? When it's nice and cool. We'll see you later. This is what cows do. And that one, your cool cow. Look at the colors. You were too cool. There you are. Okay, all right. Go. Okay. All right. Now they're bellowing. Yeah. We'll have them. We'll see where they are tomorrow. I'll ask Mike where he wants to do it, up on the high side or the low side. All right, I'm gonna head down the hill.